Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you an easy way to sharpen the chisels. And this is not the best way. It's an easy way, also very inexpensive. You only need a piece of glass. That will be our flat surface reference for the bevel of the chisel. Then we need some sandpaper. Here I have a 320 and 400, but you can use what you want. Also depends on the finish that you look on the chisel, and some water just to lubricate the sandpaper during the sanding operation. So here I put the sandpaper on top of the glass. I use tape to secure the sandpaper. You can use other adhesive. The important thing is that the sandpaper doesn't move. So I don't say, I only have here tape right now, but everything that secure the sandpaper on the glass will be okay. So here we have a close-up look on the sandpaper. I add some water here. This helps lubricate the blade during the process. Now, it's important that you maintain the original bevel here. So you have to find the correct position, and when you find it, you gently drag the chisel on the sandpaper. You can use also a sharpening jig that help you maintain the correct angle. I don't have it here, but so now I will use the 400 grit in the sandpaper, and you can go as high as you want. For me and for the use that I do with this chisel, 400 will be okay. So they will do mostly rough work. So maybe with other chisels that I have, I will go up with the grit, so they have also a better finish. But in this case, this will be enough. And I will repeat the same operation. as we saw in the previous test, the chisel worked very nice. He cut the wood against the grain without any problem, so that means that it's sharp. If it wasn't, he will not perform as we saw. And I also like the finish. You can see the sandpaper scratches, but that is because we have used only a 400 grit sandpaper. If we go higher with the sandpaper, we will eventually erase the scratches. But for me, this is a very good result. This is what I was looking for. Because for me, this technique is more of achieving a working chisel rather than a perfect looking chisel. So for me, this is more a practical way to sharpen a chisel. It's an alternative. It's not the best way, but sometimes it's more practical than other sharpening techniques. So I'm really happy with the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed yet, and let me know in the comments what you think of this video, or also if you have any suggestion for future videos. And see you in the next video. Bye.